Floral offerings flooded the entrance of Arlington Memorial Chapel during the wake of the veteran journalist and beauty journalism professor Lourdes Simbulan, as if the silent grief of the family wasn't enough to signal the death of the journalist.
When I heard the news, that sense of loss struck me at the knees. At the news, my knees dissolved. I started asking why Chit. And then stopped myself before I started to think of worthy alternates.
Simbulan died in a car accident at Commonwealth Avenue on May 13, a great loss to the industry she has served for decades.
A low profile, copy editor ng Plaridel Journal, MC sa graduation ng nakaraang taon, pole dancer ng nakaraang Christmas party, na nalampasan ang political aversion ng journalism department ng Nobody, dalawang Christmas party ang nakaraan.
Family and friends graced the wake of Simbulan, not to mourn over her death, but to celebrate her life.
When it comes to ethics, si Chit, hindi yan siya nagdidilema. Pag alam mo yung tama, gano'n.
For the longest time, ang reporter sa Pilipinas, kailangan mayabang ka, maingay ka, pag maglakad ka para napakalaki ng ano mo. Ganon. Investigative reporter daw dapat. Chit broke that stereotype because she was courageous, she was principled, and she stood firm. And she was quiet.
To others, she may as well be just another face in the frame. But to those who know her well, she will live on.
My day would usually start yan. Tatanungin ko, pagdating sa department, tanungin ko si Raquel, andyan na ba si Chit? O kaya, pag dating niya, diretso sa kwarto ko, o saan tayo kain ngayon, o saan. Palaging, we would make the plans for the day. And basta namin kalokohan na ginagawa eh.
She was really a very good editor. No? I learned that she was a very good editor dahil nung time na nag-aral ako sa States, graduate studies, and wrote her letters, minsan kino-correct niya yung grammar ng aking letters kasi she was correcting or editing.
The event brings a new chapter in the life of the friends and family of Chit, the journalist who recently concluded with her 30.
This is for her, the experienced professor who shared her industry anecdotes to us, her amateur students. And this is for her, the perfectionist who taught me that the word shared should never be used without a receiver.
Paalam, ma'am, hanggang sa muling pagkikita. Saan ka man naroon ngayon, sana'y nakangiti ka. P.S. Paki-edit na lang ang aking abang tula. Paano nga bang ilalarawan sa mga letra ang iyong kabutihan? Kung ang bawat salita ang bibitawan, nagdudulot ng labis na kalungkutan. Sa lahat ng iyong kaibigan, bawat estudyanteng naturuan, higit sa lahat, sa iyong minamahal, isa kang napakagandang tula na walang hangganan.